Hello everybody, welcome back to another H.E.L.B Productions video. Today we're going to be showing you how to make your very own first aid kit. The one we're going to be using is this one from London Drugs, and we are going to be entirely recreating it with our own supplies. This won't be the kind that you'll want to take on a field trip or put in your car for accidents. It's the kind that you would have in your backpack or briefcase that you would take to school or work for one or two people and minor injuries. So we're going to set it down there and go through all of our internals. So we're going to start with our first aid instructions. From there we're going to move on to gauze and dressings. So we're going to put in 4 gauze pads as well as a roll of medical tape. From there we're going to move on to our larger bandages, such as a large bandage, 2 nose bandages, 2 fingertip bandages, as shown there. Then we'll go into all of our waterproof bandages. We've got 3 of them. Then we're going to go into all of our regular bandages, just like regular band-aids, and there's about 8 of them there. Then we have 4 of these little cylindrical ones that are pretty useful. And that's all we have for gauze and dressings. Then you'll really want to have a little tiny pencil and a few small pieces of paper. These will come in really handy if you need to write down notes or just need pieces of paper writing stuff about the treatment you gave them first responders. Then you'll want to put in a small thing of Tylenol or Advil or similar medications so you can deal with the basic pain. Okay, from here we're going to move on to all of our cleansing pads. So we have 4 benzalkonium chloride wipes. They're available at lots of drugstores or online. So we've got 4 of those. We have 4 of these isopropyl alcohol swabs. They're also available online or at the drugstores. Then we have 2 povidone iodine solution wipes that are used for disinfecting really big cuts, and those are a bit more expensive, but they're also quite worth it. Then we have 3 of these personal hygiene wipes. They're used to clean your hands or surfaces, as well as 2 compressed napkins. You can get these at food stores, camping stores, stuff like that. Then we're going to move on to instruments. So you'll want tweezers, pretty much essential item for the most part. And then you'll want some EMT shears such as these as well. They're a bit harder to come by, but they come in most decent sized first aid kits. Okay, now we're about to get into all of the optional items, such as earplugs, in case you're in a loud situation. You can also get a gauze roll such as this, if you have space. You can even put in a second pair of earplugs if you want. You can also put in a small baggie of cotton swabs and pads if you feel it, as well as gloves. I would recommend these, but you don't completely need them, but they're a good idea to have, as well as matches in case you ever need them. And now we're getting into items that you might want but are harder to come by, such as these instant cold packs that are pretty good. You just squeeze them and shake them and they turn into ice. And then you'll also want a Kleenex wallet in case you need to deal with a bloody nose or something. And all of this you will probably want to supplement with about 2 feet of rope in case you need to tie off bandages or you don't have tape or anything, or you need to make a small sling. These will all help you with that. So, thank you for watching, and I hope that you guys all enjoyed the video, and if you do, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comments below. Thank you.